Welcome back to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your Capital One credit card account. Now there is no such thing as a Capital One credit card account. What there is Capital One's online banking account. You need to have an account for that. If you have an account, you can log in into your Capital One's online banking account, and from inside your account you can access the credit card information, or you can pay for it, or you can activate it and do all sorts of things related to credit card. So you need to log in into the online banking account of Capital One. Let me show you how to do that. But before that, hit that subscribe to our channel Beginner's Guide. Let's move on. First step, you want to search for Capital One card login just like this. After you search for it, you want to click on this option and it will take you to the official website of Capital One, which is capitalone.com. Once you're in its official website, where it says username, just enter the username of your account. And where it says password, just enter the password of your account and then click on sign in. And once you log in into your account, you can access the credit card information just like that. So that's how you guys can do it. If you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys next time.